Now here's the latest from Force Celine's regional AU channel for Saturday the 29th of October. Bureau Meteorology has cancelled a top priority severe thunderstorm warning for hailstones, heavy rainfall for parts of WA, and a low pressure system is deepening over parts of WA. This is the warning area which has been cancelled. Bureau Meteorology has issued a top priority severe weather warning for the Adelaide Metropolitan, Mount Lofty Ranges, the West Coast, Lower Eyre Peninsula, Eastern Eyre Peninsula, York Peninsula, Flinders, the Mid-North, the Kangaroo Island, Lower South East, parts of the Murray Lands, the Upper South East, the Northwest Pastoral, and the Riverland, and the North East Pastoral Districts. It's also for damaging winds to develop Sunday with an intensifying low pressure system. Low pressure system over the interior Western Australia will intensify later today and during Sunday, and will move rapidly southeastward across the Western Bight on Sunday morning, to be located south of Kangaroo Island early Sunday evening, south of the Victorian border around midnight Sunday, and adding to that an associated front extending north from the low, progressing eastward. We'll see strengthening north to northwesterly winds shift to the west southwesterly, damaging northerly winds averaging 50 to 65 kilometres an hour, with peak gusts in excess of 90 kilometres an hour are forecast in the warning area. The area damaging winds is expected to start west of Cleve Sunday morning, spreading east and south to the remainder of the warning area as the low progresses southeast during the day. And adding to the warning, damaging gusts in excess of 90 kilometres an hour also possible in the west to southwesterly flow following the front. Coastal locations, elevated areas are vulnerable to these winds as the low moves. If severe thunderstorms also expected and may further enhance the risk of damaging locally destructive wind gusts, and the Bureau will issue an additional warning. For Adelaide, the risk for damaging winds begins around midday Sunday. Adelaide, Port Lincoln, Whyalla, Mount Gambier, Ceduna and Kingscote are the areas under the warning. And for Sunday, a gale warning for much of the area. The lower west coast, central coast, south central coast, the Spencer Gulf, Investigator Strait, the upper southeast, the lower southeast, and a strong wind warning for the Adelaide metropolitan waters, the far west, upper west coast, and the Gulf of St Vincent. Bureau Meteorology has many flood warnings for both Victoria and New South Wales, and the Bureau has cancelled the severe weather warning for the southern tableland, southwest slopes, along with the snowy mountains and the ACT. It's also some flood warnings for the state of Queensland. Tasmania, the same, and they have a Strong wind warning for the far northwest, central north coast, the Bank Strait, Franklin Sound, east of the Flinders Island, the lower east, southeast, southwest coast. And for Sunday, the northwest coast will be under a gale warning. Now we have a look at the instability, and prior to this one we had the precipitation and pressure. November the 1st signals the start of the 22-23 tropical cyclone season. Bureau has forecasted above average season and the possibility of 4 systems for the Queensland region. The Bureau's 12-hourly and 24-hour rainfall outlook and rainfall scale, right hand side of the screen. Humidity over eastern New South Wales dipped below 50% for the first time in weeks last Wednesday, but the clearing skies came with a price: wind. Pleasant time outside is going to have to wait a bit longer, but not too much longer. Winds will ease during the rest of today, and Sunday is the day. Persistent clear skies, weaker winds will bring a typical spring day, something that has been absent of late. However, it won't last. Cold front forming over southern Western Australia will bring a very cold day there on Sunday before tracking east to share the cold with eastern states from Monday. Temperatures along the whole west-east swath of the country will likely be the coldest for October or November in years. Kalgoorlie's only expected to reach 14 degrees on Sunday. Similar temperatures forecast for Adelaide and Melbourne on Tuesday, and it will feel about 5 degrees for the rest of the day. With such a cold system, snow is likely to fall, flurries also over the Stirling ranges of southern WA. Sunday morning, snow will begin for the eastern alpine peaks Monday evening, blowing to around 1,000 metres and spreading north to the central tablelands Tuesday evening. And to top off the local weather scene, Force 13 is now monitoring a Invest 93S in the South Indian or the Southwest Indian Ocean. It's near the Maldives. So the cyclone Genesis is looking very healthy for the Invest, and as mentioned, we'll be keeping a close eye on that one.